More than 70% of our planet is covered in water, and within those oceans lies a truly exciting but also scary biodiversity. We know more about what's happening in the far reaches of outer space than we do about what's living in our own seas. Some of the sea life we are familiar with is scary enough. Let's not even think about the creatures we may not have discovered yet. These are the most dangerous fish in the world. Let's dive in. Piranhas are one of the most well-known aggressive fish in the world. There are thought to be more than 30 different species. The largest, the red-bellied piranha, can grow up to 20 inches long. Piranhas live in the waters across South America, and if you see their teeth, you will feel that they are clearly designed for tearing through flesh. Usually, they hunt other fish, even ones of the same species as themselves. But if they're extremely hungry due to the lack of food elsewhere, they'll attack large animals passing through the river, and even people on rare occasions. And the last documented human fatality as a result of a piranha attack was in 2015. If you're enjoying our video, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel right now. Otherwise, this centipede might pay you a midnight visit while you sleep. Imagine a creature with a saw-like snout slicing through the waters with grace and power. Meet the majestic sawfish, a unique ray-finned fish armed with a serrated rostrum reminiscent of a deadly saw blade. These enigmatic creatures grow up to 25 feet long and dwell in the warm embrace of tropical and subtropical seas. Their diet is made up mainly of fish, and the saw is crucial to the way they hunt. Typically, they will stab towards their target, and all it takes is for one of their teeth to make contact, and their victim will more than likely be incapacitated. The saw is also used in self-defense, and this is when they can become dangerous to humans. They'll usually try and avoid confrontation, but if they feel cornered, they will thrash from side to side and can inflict serious damage. There are several hundred species of fish that are able to produce an electric charge, but the most dangerous by far is the electric eel. Growing up to 7 feet long, they can be found in areas of stagnant water throughout the Amazon basin. These amazing snakes are able to generate electrical charges thanks to the presence of two specific organs, known as the hunter's organ and the sax organ. They can generate a mild current, which is how they locate prey, and a more powerful shock, which is how they incapacitate or kill their target, so they can move in to begin eating. The good news is that one shock from one electric eel isn't enough to kill a healthy adult person, but the problem is they often exist in large colonies. If you were to find yourself in a pond with multiple shocks from several eels, you'd have very little chance to escape before you suffer from cardiovascular failure. The great barracuda is a large species of predatory fish that's endemic to the Indian, Pacific, and Atlantic Oceans, where they're often found in the warmer regions at depths of up to 330 feet. Some have been found to be up to 5 or 6 feet long and weigh as much as 100 pounds, and are one of the most vicious marine predators in the world. They have powerful jaws and incredibly sharp teeth, and can reach speeds of up to 27 miles per hour in short bursts that allow them to catch up with virtually any prey they want. Attacks on humans are rare, but they do sometimes bite too, and are more than powerful enough to rip chunks of flesh and cause deep lacerations. If you're ever diving and see one of these close by, be very careful. Goliath tigerfish are native to freshwater habitats across Africa, in particular the Congo River Basin and Lake Tanganyika. When fully grown, they can measure 5 feet long and weigh 110 pounds, and have a frightening set of needle-sharp teeth that fit neatly into grooves along their jawline. It is said that they can bite through steel, and locals refer to them as the mabenga, which means the dangerous fish, and it's clear to see why. They only feed on other fish and can decimate stocks of more valuable species, but there's also a long, detailed history of them attacking humans with serious consequences. It's believed by nearby communities that dark spirits inhabit the bodies of the fish to make it attack people. There are regular reports of people falling victim to their extremely powerful bites. While there aren't any known fatalities from this species, there are certainly plenty of people with the scars to tell the tale. Have you seen any of these fish in real life? Which one would you least like to encounter? Please let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to like the video and smash the subscribe button. Also, check out our other cool stuff showing up on screen right now. See you next time.